Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tech Info with Dera, your favorite corner where you get the latest tech tips, trends, and updates that you didn't even know about. So have you noticed the new reshare button on your WhatsApp lately? Yeah, I think that's the best thing that's happening to every WhatsApp user lately, because you don't need to screen record again or beg someone to send you their status or even screenshots, which will even reduce the quality of the picture or the video. WhatsApp has released this new update to make life easier for us. Yeah, make life easier for both of us. So today I'm going to teach you how to on the reshare button and also how to reshare people's status to your own status in just few minutes. Just stick with me in this video. Let's get right into it. Firstly, go to your App Store or Play Store for Android users and check if your WhatsApp is updated. This is mine and it's not updated, so I have to update it. Because if you don't update your WhatsApp, that reshare button will show up. Once you are done updating your WhatsApp, you open it and you go to your status bar and go to any status you would love to repost. All right, so this is the status I want to repost. No, this one has not on her WhatsApp reshare button. I will do for someone that has a WhatsApp reshare button.
Get out of my way.
So
You're just a fool! I'm not a fool, sir.
What do I do?
I'm only doing my job. You're a fool! Standing with so much confidence. I'm not a fool, sir.
Click on it. And then you edit this caption. Whatever you want to write. I love this. And then click on send. It sends to your status. So that is it. So here it is on my WhatsApp.
Get out of my...
Now let me teach you how to switch on your WhatsApp reshare button. You open your WhatsApp and you go to your status bar. These three dots, you click on it and you tap on status privacy. Here you will see where the roads allow sharing. If this button is off, it means that someone cannot reshare your WhatsApp status. But then if it's on, it means that someone can reshare it. So you just turn it on and voila, that is it. Once you are done, anyone who views your status will now be able to reshare it. So that is how. So if this video helped you, please do well to tap the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also share with your friends too, so that they can learn these updates. All right, don't be stiff, don't hold this information to yourself. So let me know in the comment section, do you already have the reshare button or are you still waiting for it? See you in my next video. Bye.